Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Not a whole lot to update on this one. I did it last week, so that's where the red line and then green line is coming from. But nonetheless, still want to get things kind of mapped out as we head into the new week, because there is still some solid things going on. I realized today, not the most exciting price action. The first 30 minutes was good and green, but after that, prices essentially just kind of was boring and went sideways. But while it was boring, just keep in mind the context of the boring. You know, last time it went sideways, it was down in this area of the chart. Obviously, now where it's quote-unquote boring, you know, it is up higher than where it was. And that's what you want to see from the big picture of things. As long as those boring areas keep getting higher and higher, that implies that the price is putting in higher lows. And again, assuming you're bullish from the big picture perspective, that's what you want, because that's how long-term uptrends are built. On top of that, from more of a shorter-term perspective, price is still up above the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as long as that remains the case, then, you know, you got to give bulls, you know, the advantage as it stands right now. Now, if the price falls below it, that's where things get a little shaky. But in my opinion, at least, as long as the price stays up above that purple line, you got to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt at this point in time. As far as overall levels of both resistance and support, initial area in the event that purple line cannot hold, next key overall level of support there at 75 cents. I've talked in past videos about why that level is so important. So if you want to go back in the video archives, you can watch that. But given like the price is way up there, I don't want to, you know, beat that dead horse anymore. And on the flip side of things, a shorter term area of resistance going to be the pink line right there, which is the 200-period simple moving average. You can see on a couple instances has already knocked down the price. If the price can push up through there, though, then the next key level that I've talked about in past videos right there at $1.10. So overall, a boring day, but in a good way. The week is young, still 4 days left, obviously, so we'll have to see how it all unfolds. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.